What's up, boys and girls? If you're playing Farming Simulator 25 and experiencing annoying flickering issues, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through some of the best solutions to fix the flickering problem in your game. And hey, if this video helps you out, be sure to like it and subscribe for more game fixes and tips. Let's get started. Solution 1. Clear DirectX shader cache. First up, clearing the DirectX shader cache. Sometimes the flickering is due to corrupted shader files, so let's fix that. Press the Windows key and type Disk Cleanup. Select your Windows drive, usually C. Check only DirectX shader cache. Click OK, then delete files, restart your PC. This solution forces your system to rebuild the shader cache, which often resolves flickering caused by corrupted files. Solution 2. Lower shader quality in graphics settings. If you still notice flickering, this is Solution 2. Adjust the shader quality settings in the game. Launch Farming Simulator 25, then go to Options, then go to Graphics Settings. Locate shader quality and change it from very high to high. Save the changes and restart the game. This simple tweak reduces the workload on your GPU, often helping stabilize the game's visuals. Solution 3. Disable overlays. Next up is Solution 3. Disabling in-game overlays. Overlays from apps like Steam, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or Discord can mess with the game's rendering. For Steam, go to Settings greater than in-game, then uncheck Enable Steam Overlay while in-game. For NVIDIA, open GeForce Experience, then go to Settings, then toggle off in-game overlay. For Discord, head to Settings greater than Game Overlay, then toggle off Enable in-game overlay. Disabling these overlays can prevent conflicts that cause screen flickering, especially on lower-end systems. Solution 4. Update GPU drivers. For Solution 4, let's update your GPU drivers. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for flickering issues. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Restart your PC after installation. Keeping your drivers up to date ensures optimal performance and reduces graphical issues like flickering. Solution 5. Verify game files. If flickering persists, Solution 5 involves checking the game files for any corruption. Open Steam, then go to your library. Right-click Farming Simulator 25, then select Properties. Go to Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This scan will replace any missing or corrupted files, potentially fixing the issue. Solution 6. Adjust seasonal graphics settings. Lastly, Solution 6 focuses on seasonal graphics adjustments. In the game, go to Options, then Graphics Settings. Disable seasonal foliage or set a fixed visual month. This adjustment reduces the dynamic changes in vegetation and helps resolve rendering glitches caused by heavy foliage. And that's it. With these fixes, your flickering issues in Farming Simulator 25 should be a thing of the past. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful gaming tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and happy farming!